Go, move!
Yan, balik ulit.
Go, Kobe! Yeah, good. Good D. Good. Good.
Sayang.
That's right. Let's go. Be up.
Nice, Thunder. Go, 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 Nico. Pasok, Kyle. Yan.
No charge. No foul.
Okay, okay, go, go, go. Go, go. Yan. Nice, Kobe.
Go, Kobe. Shoot it, Kobe.
Nice. Foul pa? Foul pa.
Don't worry about it. Yeah.
Ako, meron nandun sa kabila.
Go, Blue. Nico. Go on, Nico.
Nice, Kyle. Sayang.
Get back. Hands up. Yeah, good job, Nico.
Yan, tas lang.
It's okay. No, hands up. No.
Nice, sayang.
Yeah. Let's go, Blue. Let's get some going.
1 point.
Run it. Run it. Abila, Obi. Nice.
Short. Go, Sander.
Oh.
Go, Kyle. Foul na naman. Ang-foul si Kyle.
Go weak, boys.
Easy lang sa foul. 7 minutes, second quarter. Mabus tayo niyan.
Hands up.
Taas lang kamay, hands up. Wala. Go. Nice.
Good.
Good job.
Right there, Kobe. Hey! Oh. It's okay. Get back.
Yan, hands up. Wala.
Good.
Ako na, agawan pa. Okay lang. Ah! Foul na naman.
Good.
Good. Wala.
Let's go, Nico.
Diskarte mo, Nico.
Screen. Right there.
Okay, Nico.
Oh. Nice try, JJ. Go.
At least may matangkad. May alanganin din sila dun eh. Yun, yun.
Good.
Go, Kyle! Kaya mo yan! Yan, oh!
It's okay, it's
Okay.
okay.
Good job, Kyle! Yan, sagasaan mo na sagasaan. Good job, Kyle!
Oh, ito po.
Football lang naman nila eh.
Oh. Sino ba?
Hindi na ilalabas tayo.
Yan, si Miguel. Ayan. Pwesto! Nice, Nico.
Nice.
Good job. Nice pass. D. Defense. Wala. Yan. Sayang, ganda.
Cut.
Nice under.
Nice shot.
Sayang.
That's right.
Go. Sayang. Yan, hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up. Oh!
Good job.
Natakot eh. Natakot ang laki. Kaya mo yan, Kobe. Yan. Sayang, hindi pumasok oh. Walang foul. Wala.
Go get it.
Rebound. Ako, yung pa nakakuha.
Yeah. Good call.
Good call, rep. yung kabila ay bahay doon ng mga kalaban natin.
Go boys.
Nice, Migs! Good job, Migs!
Good take.
Yan, oh, free throw na naman. Ubusin niya yung foul niya mga yan.
Yeah.
Oh, lamang tayo. Quarter. Lamang tayo isa. Oh, shoot pa kahit isa lang.
Next one.
Isa lang, Migs.
Unahan mo na agad.
Nice. Ayan na, dalawa na. Yeah. Good.
Yes.
Go.
Bring it up, Kobe.
Yan. Oh, wala foul.
It's okay. Go. Hey. Oh. Good shot.
Oh, layo. Andito yung referee, oh. Yung referee nandito, hindi tumawag. Yun nandun yung tumawag na sa baba.
Sino nag-foul? Technical? Putek.
Who's technical?
Nico?
No. Technical. I think the technical is.
Sino na technical?
Baka si Nico.
Cheater! Or you can be nice, but they're still gonna kill you. Don't be nice anymore.
Technical?
No friends right now, no friends.
Ayun na, intense yung referee. Ayaw pa rin. Nice, Kobe! Sayang.
Let's try, Kobe.
Good job! Yun! Nice, Thor! Wala, di ka mananalo kay Thor. Agawan yan eh. Good job, Thor!
Kanino daw?
Blue.
Kanino daw? Black? Young boy?
Hindi, kanila, blue ball. Pesto.
Bigyan mo yung support. Bigyan mo yan.
Tinuturuan tatay. Ano sabi mo? Bigyan mo yan.
Bigyan mo isa!
Tinuturuan ng airpot to. Bigyan daw lang isa.
Shout out daw.
Oh, shout out daw. Shout out. Sino yun, tay? Ay, ayun. Correct ka rin. Yun, ate. Go, Mix! Kaya mo yan! Oh, wala foul! Uy, sa hands, oh! Hindi tinawagan. Ano referee to?
Hands up!
Hindi tinawagan, kitang-kita sa video. Oh, yun, oh, foul, oh. Namantala yung kay Miguel, eh. Walang foul. Kamot sa ulo. Coach.
What's up, boys?
Oh, pasok mo, Migs.
Keep tapping the hoop!
Salaksakan niya para ano, salaksakan na salaksakan.
Huh? Outside. Too tight. If you really got it in, I don't know if you could lay it in. Yeah.
Nice, nice! Good job, Sander!
Ano na naman? Travel.
Hindi, foul, foul, foul.
Hindi, travel ang tawag.
Ha? Paano yun?
No, it's a legal foul. You jumped the basket. I don't know. I thought it was free.
Yan, taas lang kamay. Yun, yun. Sayang. Open.
Hey, come on, Blue! Drive it, drive it! Go in, go in!
Nice score!
Nice shot, Thor!
Yun! Nakasip din. Good job, good job.
Let's go!
Defense, defense! Sayang, hindi nakuha.
Yeah, oh!
Foul! Alas
Two
tingnan.
fouls in Garden?
Naubos na tayo sa foul. Nagagalit na yung mama nila.
Cooking show na naman
Ayan na,
tayo.
ayan na. Cooking show ba? Ayan.
Luto na naman tayo sa
Sab, sab.
Miguel! Go, Nico!
Nice mix.
Ah! Good job, Sylvian! Go, let him go! Yeah! Yeah!
Nice block.
Good! Oh!
Wala, wala, wala. Pumasok pa.
Okay, let's go, Blue!
Lamang na 5.
Let's get it!
Sabi mo kay Mix, pasukan. Para makakuha ulit ng foul.
Run straight in!
Nakakuha na
Nice shot, Nico!
Layo niyan.
Yeah! Good hit, Nico!
3 points, dalawa lang. Nice score! Wala, wala. Block, block.
No,
Oh, wala.
Get it!
Hands up!
Good, good! Look up, look up! Foul!
No foul? Wala foul? No foul?
Let's go, it's okay!
Usap ni Ren.
Okay. You can't get every call.
Foul yun eh.
What?
Kitang-kita eh.
Nag-iinit na si Coach.
Oo.
Just for the follow through.
Kaya nga eh, hard foul nga yun eh. Di ba?
Tumunog kaya.
Hinataw eh, walang foul.
Rewind down, cross his arm. That ball in the middle, ref.
May tunog ah.
Inubos na yung oras oh. Lamang dalawa. Paano yan? Inubos na yan.
Hindi ko alam.
Paano yung time niyan?
Oo nga, hindi siya nag-stop.
Paano yung time niyan pre?
Huh?
Nag-time out, nag-time niya eh, inubos na.
Hindi, yung timeout clock yan.
Ah, time out ba? Akala ko na.
This is a stressful game. Yesterday? Okay. Yeah, I think it was.
Release Xander to play with it. No.
Ngayon, 2 minutes. Dineksa sa oras 2 minutes.
Let's go, Blue! Ready? Right there.
Thank you kay Nico. Wow!
Go!
Tayo. Tatlo na yan. Napapasipa na si coach. Napapasipa na si coach. Pangatlo na.
It's okay, it's okay. Let's go, let's go.
Tineknikal na naman ni Kalba. Oh, technical ulit.
Oh! First half, man. Wow, that's too quick catch, man.
Ref, you gotta chill. Let them play.
Yo, come on, Blue.
Let them play.
Come on, Blue, play through.
Yung kaya umalis na kala si pare. Okay na yun, umalis na para naiintong referee sa atin eh.
Come on, Blue.
Magpalit na ng rep.
Just because we're in white, let them play.
Wala na, nawawala na ng gana din yung mga ano.
Hindi yan, sa lumaban na sila.
Play hard, Blue. Let's play hard, Blue. Let's go.
Okay, it's okay.
Namang tabla.
Keep ball down low.
Go, let's go.
Go, Migs!
Go. Yeah. Use it, Nico.
Nice door!
Nice score. Oh.
Sayang.
Okay, good shot.
Yun!
Yeah.
Nice door, okay lang yun. Pumasok.
Okay, come on, Blue.
Ganda naman.
Hey,
Get it back, get it back.
play hard, Blue.
Foul na naman. Siya may dala ng bola sa lapaw.
Offensive daw, offensive.
Okay, some more. Come on. Let's go, Blue. Play through. Play
Kalma.
through. Let's go, Blue.
Nice, Tiko! Sige, kaya mo yan. Nice, Migs.
Okay, get back. Attack the hoop.
Sayang.
Good. Rebound.
Nice foul.
It's okay. Get up. go, Blue. Go on your play, boys. Go on your play.
Oh! Itatch siya! Natouch siya!
Let's go, let's go. Don't worry about it. Pick your head up. Let's go.
Huwag na ka magreklamo. Kampi yung referee sa kalaban.
Hands up, hands up.
Nice. Wala. Okay, rebound. Nice. Go, Kobe! Nice.
Yeah. Let's go, let's go.
Defense, stop, 1 minute.
Oh. Pick him up, pick him up. Yeah, good call.
Nice rep, nice rep.
One minute na lang. 51 seconds na lang. Pinapasok mo.
Silalim.
Sige.
Nice, Kobe. Yun, oh, ganda. Malis, sayang. Woo!
Good job, Kobe.
Ayos. Bah.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job, Kobe.
38. Tabla na yan.
Yeah.
38.
No.
Yeah, all 38. All 38.
30 now.
Yun. Sayang.
Oh, hands up! Oh, ano?
Foul pa rin. Nakakuha pa ng foul.
Oh.
34.
They're getting bailed out a lot.
Just hands up lang.
Hands up na nga lang.
Sablay tuloy.
Hold on line.
Wala.
Hands up!
Yeah. Good.
20 seconds. Second
Drop
quarter.
ball. Be ready.
Wala.
Wala! Hands up!
Wala.
Good.
Go, G!
Nice.
Nice. Nice, Nico. Woo! Lamang na. Dalawa. Oh, aras. Sayang kay G. Wala. Yay!
Go.
Lamang tayo. Lamang tayo. Oh, 3 minutes. Good job.
Good. Good half.
Good job.